So far, this device has been pleasantly repairable. It's very easy to remove components without breaking anything. The only thing I don't like about the device is there's a lot of layers and a lot of screws. This is our motherboard with the Tensor G5 chip. Google's showing that off right here with their little sticker. As for the board layout itself, it's quite interesting. So they have two tiny stacked motherboards on top of each other over here. And then over here, they have this middle partition and then the boards stacked on top of each other. This is more so what I'm used to seeing. This is new to me. Now we're gonna put everything back together. This phone is quite repairable, and Google actually already sells parts and they've already released their repair manual for this device.